Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling. And today we get ready to put a spin on traditional deviled eggs. Take a look at these beauty right here. These are from Kirby, from Cooking with Kirby, which I'll leave a link to his video and his channel down in the description box below. Listen, we're gonna turn it up because you guys know that this is the channel that's taking the mystery out of cooking. You know what? Simplifying these recipes. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you the whole name. It's a mouthful. Listen, we making Creole shrimp deviled eggs with bacon. And this right here, check this out. Let me go ahead and get you guys like this. You got to be able to see it. You guys will know that I've been pumping up these seasonings right here, but I got 3 go-tos. This is one of 3. Hey, listen, if you're looking for something that's going to take your recipe and take it over the edge, this is it right here. Boom. Okay, look, we're going to go over the ingredients. As you can see, that's Creole mustard. You got mayonnaise. And then again, you know, just pointing the arrow, just showing you the mustard. Okay, now you got your Creole Cajun seasoning. Listen, that's that sweet smoky Joe's, that Creole Kick. That's my weapon of choice right there. Hey, listen, I don't want to over talk it. You guys, if you get a chance, get you some. I put his website up. And you know what? Do yourself a favor. Try it. That's what sends it over the edge. And of course, we got bacon. There are other ingredients in there. I put them on the screen so you guys can see. And as always, all of the ingredients will be down in the description box below. Now, we want to boil our eggs. It depends on how you want to do them. I boil mine for 12 minutes. After they boil, I take them and I run them under the cold water. Get rid of that hot water, and I just let them sit up until it's time to peel them. Now, right here, listen, we're making bacon. The reason I'm showing this bacon right here, because I just want to show you, you know what? I flip it. This is how I make bacon on a regular right here. You know what I mean? I didn't put no grease in there and no nothing. You know what? I use the fat from the bacon, and that just, you know, that's what I use to keep it from sticking or whatever. Look, just keep flipping it back and forth on medium-high heat, and that's what you come up with. You don't want it to get too crispy. A lot of people, they want to know why did theirs come out crispy. You want to take it. See how it's still a little flimsy? That's what you want to do. Take it out like that. Put it on a plate lined with a paper towel. And then that bacon fat that was in there, guess what, y'all? We're going to drop that, you know, the shrimp in there that's already been peeled and deveined. And then we're going to sprinkle some of that Creole Kick over on top of it. And there you have it. You know what? Then we're going to cook it. Now, you guys know when you're cooking shrimp, you want to make sure you don't overcook it because it'll be rubbery. And you see how tightly they curl up? That's a sign that they're done. You want to go about, on medium-high heat, you want to go about 1 or 2 minutes, between 1 and 2 minutes on each side. Now, that arrow right there is just showing you how I broke up the bacon, you know, into like bacon bits. That's really all set up, you know, for the presentation at the end. Now, you can do it 2 ways. You can add your bacon in there with your shrimp, or you can, you know, decorate it at the end. I'm big on presentation, so, you know, that was just me. That was just the way I did it this time. Now, look, cut your eggs in half, as you just saw, and go ahead and just pop out the yolk. Add that to your bowl, along with your shrimp. And again, I'm gonna cover this part again. The bacon that you see, you can add it in here now, or you can add it later. I chose to do it the latter. All right, so now we just go ahead and put our mayonnaise and our Creole mustard. And then after that, we're gonna hit it with the seasoning. And then we're gonna sprinkle that in there, and then we're gonna mix it up. Now, once you got everything, you know, mixed up and it's mixed, you know, thoroughly, go ahead and get yourself a Ziploc bag. That's a gallon freezer bag, but if you look at the corners right there, you can see that that's not a true corner. So what I did was I actually had to take it out of that and put it in a Ziploc sandwich bag. And you're going to see right here, look, see that corner? I just cut it off. You just want to cut it small, just enough so that when you squeeze it, you can squeeze your filling into your halves, your egg halves. That right there is just like super simple. That's a pro tip. Keeps your hands nice and clean. Now, once you're done, you know, filling all your halves, it's time to go ahead and some of that shrimp that you had left over. And that's about all that I had left over because I was just like eating so many pieces. You know what I mean? You're talking about that Creole Kick, you know, that flavor and that bacon flavor on that shrimp was just out of sight. Go ahead now and just get your, you know, get your setup right. This right here is all about your own presentation. You didn't see right here, but I had went ahead and chopped up some fresh parsley. I hit some parsley on there, and then I sprinkled some paprika on there, you know, just to keep it, you know, sort of traditional. But there you go. Creole shrimp deviled eggs with bacon. So I hope you guys like what you just seen. You know what, this is an excellent recipe. Just think, the next time somebody asks you if it's a potluck or a family get together or whatever the function is and you bringing something, whatever you are bringing, just imagine you bringing these right here. Hey listen, and also this is like great if you got, you know, like for the young ones, you know what I mean? If you got kids that need to build their confidence in the kitchen, listen, they easy to make. And also for all of those who have joined the membership, you know, the membership version of my channel, you know what? Thank you. You can see your names right here next to me. You know what? It's going down, folks. I just want to say, hey, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with everybody, and don't forget to tell them there's a channel out here that's taking the mystery out of cooking and simplifying these recipes. And with that being said, you guys, I'm out. Peace.